Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a butterfly method on fraction. So, let's go! First, you're going to do 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Now, you're going to multiply 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. Now, you're going to multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 24 plus 4 is 28. You're going to copy the number 12. So, now, you can lowest turn it into 28 divided by 2 is 14. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, it can be lowest term in 2 again. So, 14 divided by 2 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, this is your final answer. So now, thank you.